Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2015 Fiat Ducato, stock number 6501. This ran from the 10th 2014 to the 12th 2016. It has a 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight needs polish. Left front guard no dents. Left front door mirror. Left front door, slightly damaged mould. Left front 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Left rear 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right rear taillight. Right rear 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right front door 2 dents. Right front guard no dents. Right front 16-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right front door card, right front master switch, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,